How to activate automatic performance mode. After connecting your Binance account and logging in, we recommend that you join our Telegram group. You can easily access signals in addition to our Telegram group. The automatic performance mode executes market information automatically. Transactions will be fully automated as long as you have USDT on Binance. There are two approaches to this. According to this information, market data is analyzed and processed automatically. You can always get information about these analyses or look at the charts. After selecting Automatic, you will be presented with detailed information about how the automatic mode operates. Fixed mode is the processing of the amount you specify for each market separately. In percentage mode, the percentage you specify is adjusted according to your wallet amount and added to the transaction. The current market analysis will be discarded and canceled if your balance does not meet the minimum level by processing this percentage. After reading and marking the automatic mode description, we can switch to the automatic mode page. The first thing we come across is activating the automatic mode. In the other, in which exchange market we want to use this mod. Currently, we only provide this on Binance. In the future, markets such as Huobi Global and Coinbase will also be active. Enable automatic mode in exchange mod. Choose one of the two main paths required for automatic mode. You can specify how much USDT to make per trade or run this mode as a percentage. Minimum values will differ depending on the exchange market. Make sure you meet the minimum values required for Binance and enter the amount. After making sure that everything is filled in completely, press the Save button. In the History section, you can find your transaction or previous transactions. You can access all of your accepted, completed, and canceled transactions from this page. If you have any questions, you can always find us in the support section.